Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're embarking on a very specific, highly important mission, the TECNO Spark 20 rescue mission. If your notifications have been showing up hours late or just not at all until you unlock your phone, we're going to dive right into the source material, solve this mystery together, and take back total control of your device.
Okay, let's dive into this. Because let's be real, if you are constantly missing urgent WhatsApp messages, Gmail alerts, or Telegram updates, you are definitely not alone. It is incredibly frustrating, right? You unlock your screen and suddenly, bam! A massive flood of missed messages just pours in all at once. So let's fix that right now.
Here is our roadmap to transform you from a frustrated user into a total power user. 1. The missing message mystery. 2. Unlocking developer superpowers. 3. Rescuing your apps. 4. Taming the battery manager. 5. Bonus speed hacks. And finally, number 6, the final notification test. All right, part 1, the missing message mystery. Let's diagnose what's actually making your phone sick. So the villain here, it's actually not a random glitch at all. It's an overprotective system guard called High-OS battery optimization. This feature is designed to extend your battery life, but it works way too hard, aggressively putting your background apps to sleep. It's basically like a giant, overzealous nightclub bouncer that completely locks away your notifications just to save a tiny, tiny fraction of battery. Which brings us to part 2, unlocking developer superpowers. It's time to arm ourselves with some insider secrets to bypass that bouncer. Getting these system superpowers requires a very specific, almost tactile secret code sequence. First, you're going to open the Settings menu and scroll down to My Phone or About Phone. Then find Build Number and literally tap it exactly 7 times in a row. It's super satisfying. Enter your PIN and a prompt will pop up declaring, "You are now a developer." Boom! We just unlocked the deepest controls on the phone.
Step 3, rescuing your apps. We are officially breaking the locks on your crucial apps. And we're starting with the absolute most important fix. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this single app management setting dictates your overall notification reliability. When you navigate to Settings, then Apps, then App Management, select WhatsApp, and hit Battery, unrestricted is absolutely the necessary choice here. Leaving it on restricted or even optimized will guarantee those messages stay delayed.
But wait, just giving the app battery access isn't quite enough to save it. It needs guaranteed network access too. Under the app settings for mobile data, you need to enable background data, unrestricted data usage, Wi-Fi, and mobile data. Turning these on guarantees the app can always reach the internet, completely ignoring whatever sleep state the phone is in.
Next up is the Notifications menu. To get maximum visibility for those crucial alerts, literally every single toggle here needs to be flipped on. I mean, everything, from message and group notifications right down to pop-ups, sound, vibration, and badges. Absolutely nothing should be left disabled here. And to actively discourage the Hi-O system from silently closing WhatsApp in the background, we have 2 final rescue tricks. First, flip WhatsApp on in the auto start settings. Then, and this is clever, go to your recent apps menu and tap that little padlock icon on WhatsApp. That padlock essentially yells at the system to keep its hands off your app. Just to be fully 100% secure, we should jump inside the actual WhatsApp app itself. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and just double-check that conversation tones, higher priority notifications, reaction notifications, call notifications, and pop-ups are all enabled, just to make sure we've covered the whole shebang. Moving right along to part 4, taming the battery manager. Time to confront this system head-on.
Oh man, we need to talk about the well-intentioned saboteurs. You know the ones: phone master memory cleaners, one-tap RAM cleaners, third-party battery saver apps, automatic task killers, and ultra power saving modes. They mean well, but they actually completely ruin your phone's functionality by ruthlessly terminating essential background processes. Avoid them.
And this brilliantly illustrates why you need to dig into the Battery Lab settings if your phone has them. Sleep optimization, aggressive app optimization, and adaptive battery need to be explicitly disabled. Flipping these off forcefully stops Hi-OS from suspending your apps the exact second your phone goes idle.
Part 5. Bonus speed hacks. Because hey, since we have these developer superpowers now, we might as well make the phone blazing fast, right?
There is this magical little fraction hidden in developer options, 0.5x. if you scroll down to the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale, and change all three of them from 1x down to 0.5x, wow, it makes the phone feel instantly radically faster, and it doesn't drain any extra battery. Also in developer options, turning on Keep Mobile Data Active ensures your connection is always ready to go when switching between Wi-Fi and cellular. And so the crucial point is this: do not touch running services, background process limit, or don't keep activities. Unless you're literally a developer testing your own code, touching those will completely break your notifications all over again. Leave them be.
Just to round out your overall device health, here are some quick foundational habits. Set your display refresh rate to auto for perfectly balanced performance. Always keep about 15 to 20% of your local storage free so the system doesn't choke. And always update iOS and WhatsApp whenever a new patch drops.
And finally, part 6, the final notification test, the climax of our mission.
All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this rescue mission was a success. Step 1, restart the phone to lock in all those deep system changes. Step 2, open WhatsApp just once. Step 3, lock the phone completely so the screen goes totally black. Step 4, have a friend send a message to your phone. It should now arrive in seconds, ringing loud and clear even with the screen off.
If you heard that chime, you did it. The notifications are fixed, and your interface is significantly faster. But that brings up a really provocative question. Are you ready to unlock 50 more hidden settings in the Ultimate Power User Guide? Because honestly, we have barely scratched the surface of what this phone can do when it comes to speed, battery life, privacy, and RAM management. Let that sink in for a minute. Until next time, keep exploring.